account with the Facebook is required, then wherever we'll go, we will access our application, right? Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. Twitter is also the same thing, right? Twitter is also the same thing. An internet connection is required. An account with the Twitter is required. Then wherever we will go, we will access our Twitter, right? We can access our Twitter, right? So here the observation is there is no need of any softwares, no need to install any software. Wherever we will go, we can access our application. For that particular purpose, what we need? We should need an internet connection. We should need an account with that particular application, right? And these three applications are developed based on this concept only, right? No need to install any software, and we need an account with that particular application. Then wherever we will go, we can access, right? So this concept is nothing but a cloud concept. Based on this cloud concept, lot of tools came into the picture. Those tools are nothing but cloud computing tools. Those tools are nothing but cloud computing tools. Those tools are nothing but cloud computing tools. Okay, so some of the cloud computing tools are nothing but Salesforce CRM is a cloud computing tool. Salesforce CRM, this is salesforce.com application, and the next one is dynamic CRM, and the next one is sugar crm. All these three applications are developed based on one concept. That concept is nothing but a cloud computing. What do you mean by cloud computing? No need to install any software. Wherever we will go, you can access. For that particular purpose, you need an account with that particular application. You need an account with that particular application. Here, Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, we can just access the application. We will not customize. Customize is nothing but I want to develop something. My screen should be like this. No, it is not possible in the Gmail, Facebook, Twitter. But in the Salesforce CRM, we can access, then we can develop however we want. We can develop however we want. Then that is nothing but Salesforce, then that is nothing but cloud computing. No need to install any software. Wherever we will go, we can access our application, we can customize our application, we can access our application, we can customize application. For that particular purpose, we should need an account with that particular application. So up to now, what we learned, Salesforce CRM is a cloud computing tool. Salesforce CRM is a cloud computing tool, is a cloud computing tool, is a cloud computing tool, and there is no need of install any software. We should need an account with the Google. We should need an account with that particular application. Then wherever we will go, we can access and we can customize however we want. Any questions on this one? Any questions?
Does CRM stand for anything, Ramesh, specifically?
Customer relationship management. What exactly that meaning we'll discuss going forward. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
whenever we start the development, that time we will discuss what is customer, what is relationship, what is management, why they are using that terminology. That we'll discuss going forward.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yeah. And up to now, Salesforce CRM is a cloud computing tool. What do you mean by cloud computing tool? No need to install any software. For example, go to here. By using Java means we should install all these software. We should make connections between all these software. Then we have to start our development. But here there is no need of installing any software. No need to install any software. Wherever you will go, you can access our application. You can customize. Not only accessing, you can develop however you want. That is nothing but cloud computing tool. And this is from salesforce.com company. Salesforce.com company. The second one is how to open an account with the Salesforce. How to open an account with the Salesforce is nothing but basically Salesforce is a licensed version. Suppose we want to use for my project, suppose I want to implement Salesforce my project, then we have to pay some amount to the salesforce.com company, and we have to get the license and we have to use it. Okay, suppose we want to use for my project, suppose we want to implement for my project, I have to communicate with the salesforce.com company people, and I have to get the license and I have to use for my project. I have to use for my project. This is the first thing. Okay, but basically for their market purpose, Salesforce introduced some free versions. Means you will just go and open an account with that free version. No need to pay any amount. Here you have a question. You are saying Salesforce is a licensed version, and again they are introduced some free version. You will just go and open an account with the free version. Then why I will go with the licensed version? I will use free version only for my project, right? But here in the licensed version, unlimited features are there. Salesforce will support unlimited features, but in the free version, only some limited features are there. In the free version, only some limited features are there. So we will just go and open an account with the free version, and that account it will never expire. But whenever we are coming into for project, that time we will communicate with the Salesforce people and we will get the license and we will implement for our project. But for our practice purpose, we will open an account with the Salesforce, and we can use we will open an account with the Salesforce, and we will practice there. We will practice there, and that account it will never expire. How to open an account with the Salesforce is nothing but this is the URL. This is the URL, developer.salesforce.com. Okay, now go to here, click on sign up, and here click on this is the link. You will just go and open an account with the Salesforce. We'll just go and open an account with the Salesforce. You will just go and open an account with the Salesforce by using this particular link. Okay, and now go to here. Here name is there, first name, last name, email address is there, right? First name, last name, email address is there, right? You have to remember this email address. For this email address only you will get an email notification saying that you have to reset the password. Then the role is nothing but any role, it doesn't matter. Company ABC is a company, and the next one is postal code is nothing but anything, it doesn't matter. Username is nothing but abc@abc.com, anything username, but it should be at format. It should be at format. Okay, it should be at format. Okay, but here you have to remember the email address. Here you have to remember the email address. For this email address only we will receive an email notification saying that you have to reset the password. For this email only we have to receive an email notification saying that you have to reset the password. Click on sign me up, then automatically send an email notification to this particular email. Once you will receive an email notification and once you reset the password, then it will automatically redirecting into this particular screen. I will show that screen. It will automatically redirecting into this particular screen. See here, this is the screen which it will automatically redirect. This is nothing but lightning version. This is nothing but lightning version. In the Salesforce, two types of versions are there. Two types of versions, and one is nothing but lightning version, and the next one is nothing but classic version. See here, classic version. The next one is nothing but classic version. In the Salesforce, two types of versions are there. One is lightning version and the another one is classic version. Okay, what is the lightning version, what is the classic version is nothing but, so initially Salesforce started their business with the classic version. Okay, where we will go with the classic version is nothing but go to the top right corner. Go to the top right corner where one doll symbol is there. Click on this one. Switch to Salesforce Classic. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. This is nothing but classic version. Initially Salesforce started their business. Initially Salesforce started their business with the classic version. Initially Salesforce started with the classic version. Their business with the classic version. Slowly users are increasing. Slowly users are increasing. When users are increasing, then what it will happen? Slowly they will use devices, right? Mobile device or some other device, tabs or some other device, they will use it, right? Whenever they are using the devices, it is not compatible with this particular device. Go to here. It is not compatible with this particular device. Okay, so this screen is not compatible with the device. Okay, initially Salesforce started with the classic version. Slowly users are increasing. Slowly users are increasing. When users are increasing, they will use the devices, mobile device or tab or some other devices. They will use it, but whenever they are using the devices, this screen is not compatible. This screen is not compatible with the mobile. This screen is not compatible with the tab. So they came with the advanced version. That advanced version is nothing but a lightning version. That advanced version is nothing but a lightning version. So in the same screen, in the lightning version, how it look like this is Go to here. Go to here. 1 second. The same screen in the Lightning version is like this. So initially Salesforce started with the classic version. Slowly users are increasing. When users are increasing, they are using the devices. And when they are using the devices, mobiles, tabs, or some other devices they are using, this screen is not compatible. So they make some changes to the advanced to the UI. That advanced UI is nothing but a Lightning version. That advanced UI is nothing but a Lightning version. So we should learn both the Lightning version and the classic version. Old projects are still running with the classic version. New projects are going to start with the Lightning version. New projects are going with the Lightning version. So any questions up to now? Up to now, we discussed Salesforce is a cloud computing tool and how to open a free account with the Salesforce. And there are Lightning version and the classic version in the Salesforce, right? Only these three topics we learn. Then the next one is, suppose you ask Ramesh, you are working on the Salesforce. What is your daily responsibilities? Means I'm say that I'm working in the campaign object. I'm working in the lead object, account, contact, opportunity, case, business object, case object, opportunity object. I'm always saying that object, object, object. The next question from you is, what is an object? Object is nothing but it is a table. In the Salesforce terminology, will call it as a object. In the Salesforce terminology, we will call it as a object. And the Salesforce terminology, we will call it as an object. See here, for example, go to here. And this is an employee table. This is an employee table. And this is nothing but name. And this is nothing but first name. This is nothing but first name. And this is nothing but last name. This is nothing but mother name. Okay. And I'm just comparing, this is my table. Assume that this is my table. I'm just comparing this table with the Salesforce. Okay. In table terminology, in other programming, we will call it as a table. In the Salesforce terminology, we will call it as a object. And here we will call it as a here we will call it as a table terminology, we will call it as a columns, and here we will call it as a fields in the Salesforce terminology. For example, James is one employee, Peter is one employee, and Thomas is one more employee, right? Thomas is one more employee. In the Salesforce terminology, these are called records. In the other terminology, we will call it as a row. In other terminology, we will call it as a row. Okay, just compare table with the object. So generally, why we will use the tables? Any programming language, why we will use the tables? To store the data and to display the data from the table. To store the data and to display the data from the table. Okay, then we will just go and use the table. The same purpose to store the data and to display the data from the table, where to display the data from the table. The same thing whatever we are doing with the table, but the terminology is different. That is nothing but object. The first topic which we are going to discuss is nothing but how to create object. How to create object. And the next one is how to create a field, and how to create a record. The first topic which we are going to discuss, this is an admin part. In the Salesforce, two parts are there. One is admin part and the next one is development part. So in the admin part, we are going to discuss, this is the first topic. The second topic is nothing but, the second topic is nothing but, this is nothing but, see here, this is nothing but company, this is nothing but company, object, how to link these two objects. How to link these two objects here, how to link these two objects. This is one object and this is one object, and how to link these two objects. So that is nothing but relationships. That is nothing but relationship. That is nothing but relationship. Relationship. That is nothing but relationships here. Relationships. So how to link these two tables? One is parent and one is child. How we are going to link these two objects? That is concept is nothing but relationships. So the third topic is nothing but security. Before going into the security, one general topic is, suppose you will go to the HDFC bank and you have an account with the HDFC bank. Okay, and I also having an account with the HDFC bank. So everyone is assume that we three are having an account with the HDFC bank. So everyone is having their own username and password, right? For me, is it possible to access your bank details? No, right? Only owner will access. Owner is nothing but anyone is having username and password. That person only will access. In the Salesforce also, suppose one user created one record, another user want to access. No, we have to restrict. How to restrict is nothing but by using security. Under security, we have profile is there, role is there, permission set is there, and OWT is there. OWT is there. Sharing rules are there. Under this concept, security concept, we are going to discuss. And the next concept is workflows, workflows, process builder, flow builder, flow builder. So workflows, process builder, flow builder. What is this one is nothing but coming into again general concept. Coming into again general concept. Suppose you will go to the supermarket and you will purchase something and you will not to, I mean, you will pay an amount to the company, you will pay an amount by using your card, right? So then automatically you will get a notification to your mobile, right? This much amount is deducted. The same thing here, user is trying to creating a record or updating a record. Suppose user is trying to creating this record, I want to send email notifications. Here we will send an email notification by using workflows, process builder, flow builders. So like that in the Salesforce admin, we have 16 topics are there. 16 topics. Once these 16 topics are completed, then we will go with the development part. So we will discuss both classic version, lightning version, and in the development part, we will also discuss integration also. Integration also. So this is for our demo session. And any questions, Arjun? Any questions or any information you want?
Nothing. So in the training, both admin and development will be covered, is it?
Yes, admin,
Okay.
admin, lightning version, classic version. In admin
Yeah.
also we will cover both the classic version and lightning version.
Okay.
Development also we will cover classic version and
Okay.
lightning with Aura and
Okay.
integration.
Okay.
Integration also cover.
Aura is
Integration
the
also.
programming language or is it?
Yes, it's a programming.
Okay. 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 How
Mm.
long is the course, Ramesh? I mean, the total
Uh,
length of the course?
for admin we will take 1 month. Okay,
Okay.
daily
Okay.
1 hour. Daily 1 hour,
Okay.
and tomorrow we'll start our first session, that is
Okay.
6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Okay, 6:30
Okay.
a.m. to 7:30 a.m. IST.
Okay.
Daily 1 hour session, Tuesday to Saturday.
Okay.
Tuesday to Saturday, and I will send you a link. I will send you a link. You have to take that link and you have to join from tomorrow. Total
Okay.
period is 3 months. Total is 3 months. 1 month
Famous
admin, 2 months development.
development. Okay. Uh,
Tuesday to Saturday. It is complete real time only. Once the
okay.
session has done, then I will provide the recorded video to your mail or WhatsApp. You have to download that, okay, into your
Okay.
local.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And so will you be helping in getting the certification?
Yeah, certification also. You are in US or India, Sham Arjun? You're from
Both
you.
both are
Both
in
are in
US.
US.
Both are in US. Okay.
Yes.
Certification is mandatory. Okay. Certification is mandatory. You are going as admin means admin 201 certification is mandatory. Okay.
Okay.
You are going as a developer means admin 201 and PD1 certification is mandatory. I will provide the question and answers. You will
Okay.
read the same question and answers and you will clear the exam. Related to certifications, I will take care. I mean, if you want your own means, you will just go and read this dumps and you have to take the exam. Suppose
Okay.
otherwise you want to write some by other means, I will that one also will take care.
Okay. Okay. By end of
But
3 months, I mean, we can be, confident to take an interview. Say if we want to get a job in Salesforce, we will be able to do it, right?
you can manage.
Okay.
I'm sure
Okay.
about that. 3 to 5 years of experience, you can add it to your resume. This is completely project oriented training only.
Okay. Okay. I get it. Okay.
So during job, if we have any need any support, do you provide that, Ramesh?
Yeah, I have some friends under the, I will take care. Suppose you will get once you will get a job and you need support means, I or some other my friends are there. We will take care about that.
Oh, okay, okay. Cool. Yeah, because we don't have any developer background actually. So
Okay,
I'm a business analyst, so I just want to move into Salesforce. So
okay.
yeah.
I will start from the basic itself. When coming into the admin part, there is no need any programming language. Okay, no need any
Okay.
programming language. It's just navigation only. And in US market, 15%, 1/5 jobs for admin part, but remaining jobs are only for development only. Okay, and
Okay.
coming into the development, I will start from the basic itself. I will start from
Okay.
the base. Okay, and first 5 sessions we will start the basic information, then we will actually enter into our requirements.
Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, yes, Sham, Arjun, any questions?
What about the fee structure for this, Ramesh?
Can you check with the DURGASOFT people?
Okay.
Can you call? Think, date. And this is my mail ID, and this is my mail ID, and this is my phone number. Okay, and if you have any questions, then let me know. And tomorrow is our first session. Timing out 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Today we started 8 a.m. Okay,
Yes.
1.5 hour early. We will start our first session. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
First, you have to go through 3 to 5 sessions, then you will get an idea. Then we'll
Okay.
discuss.
Okay. So if tomorrow is the first session, then we have to get with DurgaSoft and pay the fee like within tomorrow,
No,
right?
you
Like,
can join. No, you can join. You can join first. You can join, and you can after once you are comfort like 3 to 5 sessions, then you have to pay regarding the payment. That is no issues.
oh, okay,
Okay.
okay, okay. So,
And
so you have our email address for sending the link.
can you ping me in WhatsApp? And I will.
Yes.
Otherwise, I will. Yeah, this is my email and this is my mobile number. You can just ping me in WhatsApp. I will send the link. And but related to payment, you can just discuss with the DurgaSoft. Okay.
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 Not immediately. You have to take 3 to this week sessions. Then after you will decide. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Ramesh. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Note down my number and mobile. Okay. 9573
Okay.
88
4588. Okay.
4588. Yeah. Okay, Arjun, Sham.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll join 6:30 a.m. IST. Okay. Thanks,
Sure.
Okay.
Arjun.
Sure, Ramesh. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, Ramesh.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Ramesh. See you.
Thanks,
Bye.
Arjun. Thanks.